Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about passive income, specifically how to earn money on YouTube. And for the right person, this will be life-changing, so this is really exciting for me to share this with you. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about passive income, how to earn money on YouTube. I have a lot of people coming to me asking me, what's the best way that I can make money online? And I want to do it more passively, that I don't have to work so hard or talk to people or recruit people. So this is a training that I wanted to share with you. But first of all, let's talk about who is this for, because it's not for everybody. It is if you want to learn how to create a long-term sustainable passive income using YouTube. If you don't like to recruit or talk to people. If you want a proven method to make sales and passive income, this has worked very, very well for me and a lot of other people. If you have failed in the past to make money online, this is for you. Also, if you don't understand how you can make money with YouTube and you're brand new, this is for you. If you don't want to show your face on camera, which a lot of people do not. If you have a YouTube channel already and it's not making you money, then this is for you. If you're earning Google AdSense revenue and you want to increase your views and your revenue, this is for you. If you need to get more subscribers, this training is for you. If you want to be your own boss eventually. Now, this is not going to happen overnight, obviously, but if you're just really sick and tired of having somebody tell you what to do, then this is for you. If you want to be able to outsource and spend less time online, because you can spend all kinds of time online and it's kind of like a second job. So this is a way that you can spend less time online because you're going to have that passive income coming in. If you don't have money for advertising, because YouTube is free. So there will be some expense obviously involved as far as the training. And if you have $297 to invest in your education, this would be for you. It's a one-time fee, there's no upsells, and that's basically it. I mean, there's going to be some expenses, obviously, if you need a funnel builder like ClickFunnels. You don't have to use ClickFunnels, but you want an autoresponder too, because you want to be able to capture names and emails so that you can follow up with these people, because you don't want to send people just straight to a sales page or an affiliate link. You want to build an email list. And that is passive as well, because you can have an autoresponder sending out messages on your behalf that you set up ahead of time. Who is this not for? It's not for you if you give up easily, if you cannot focus on one thing until you see results. And I see that is a problem that many people have online, because if they see something's not working like right away, they jump to something else, and you'll never have success that way. And if you cannot put in daily consistent action, just because this is passive doesn't mean that you're not going to have to put some work in it up front to get it to be passive. Because I don't know of anything that you could just jump in right away and make passive income overnight. And it's not for you if you cannot delay gratification. And know that the work that you do today, planting the seeds, that's going to be where you earn the passive income in the future. But you have to put in that initial work in order for this to work. And also, it's not for you if you don't have $297 to invest in your education. You know, if you're not going to be able to feed your kids, if you spend that money, then it's not going to be for you. So let's talk about the training. Training is called Passive Affiliate System. And I've talked about this on my channel before, but I just wanted to reiterate that this is my #1 recommendation for YouTube training right now. So let's go through what this course is all about. Again, it's just one-time fee, $297, which is an incredible value here for what you get. So first of all, you're going to come into the intro passive affiliate system. This is Andy Haffel. Actually, he says his name, Andy Haffel. He has an accent, but this is what he does full-time, and he's able to travel the world. He has money coming in passively through his YouTube channel. And he's talking about some tools here. There's not going to be anything that is really expensive. A lot of these are about productivity and how to speed up time, how to manage your time. But like I said, I would recommend getting some sort of autoresponder and page builder, because you're going to need, you will need that. But that's the only other thing, because YouTube is free. Then he's going to talk about how, just the whole basic outline of the passive affiliate system, how you're able to earn income not only through Google AdSense, but you want to be able to earn like 10 times the amount of Google AdSense through affiliate links that you place in the description of your videos. And really important is to find the perfect niche and the affiliate program together. When you find that combination is when you can make some really good money. And he talks in specific detail about how to find affiliate products. And you don't want to find affiliate products that just pay you a few dollars. You want the higher paying affiliate products so that you're earning even more money when people buy your product. And then he talks about how you'll never have to worry about what is going to be your subject for your video. He's going to tell you how to find your next 30 video ideas, and that's very easy to do. It does take some work, some searching on what after you find your niche, what would be the perfect channel that you're going to model after, channels. And then he's going to teach you how to do keyword research. So basically these are channels that are already getting a lot of views, videos that are already working. You're going to be modeling after those, but you have to know exactly how to do that for this to work, because obviously you're not going to go out there and take someone's video and copy it word for word and make it your own. You're not going to do that. And actually I've had people do that. I mean, I had their channel shut down, but they had all of my videos on their channel with my logo at the top, like it was my channel. So obviously you're not going to do that. This is a way to do it where you make it your own. And then he's going to talk about how to optimize your channel. He shows you step by step how to set up a YouTube channel from scratch. If you don't have one already, don't worry about it. He's got everything covered in here. How to set it up, put your logo, your banner, how to put your tags in, and then your money funnels, how you're going to do that. And then week 3, this is a 6-week course, he's going to give you the perfect video script so you don't have to worry about it. And this doesn't even have to be your voice, and you don't have to show your face. The 10-minute video, the voiceover, how you can do that, the slides, PowerPoint slides, how to write your titles, and how to make your thumbnails, because that's going to make or break you as far as people clicking on your videos and getting the views. And then the description and tags is going to help with your SEO. And the compilation channel is where you don't have your voice or your face in it. You can have someone else do that for you. And then week 4 is going to be the snowball method, where you can get 1,000 subscribers in as little as 30 days with the comment strategy, the email feedback loop, and other ways to get views. And then week 5 is where you really become, if you want to do this, become totally passive, where you hire a scriptwriter, hire a narrator, voice actor, hire someone to do the slides, someone to do the thumbnails, someone to manage and grow your team, and hiring your audio guy. So that can be totally passive. And that will, once you get this up and running, you can just not even be a part of it, but be able to earn money passively. And then week 6 is the money funnels, and that's where you put your link in the description below your video that people will click on, and you earn money through affiliate commissions. So you're going to have your money funnel, building a website, building your money funnel, your ClickFunnels if you use ClickFunnels, but you could use another page builder if you want, and understanding your autoresponders so that when someone enters their name and their email address to get more information, that's when your autoresponder kicks in, so they get these follow-up messages like daily or every other day that has your affiliate link in there also, because people don't always buy on the first exposure. They may need to see an offer like 7 times or so before they actually purchase. So that's, like I said, this is the best training that I have found on making passive income through YouTube. And I find a lot of people have YouTube channels, but they're not profitable. So this is something that I recommend to everybody. You know, if they want to, even if you have another business, you can do this on the side to earn more income from what you're already earning through your primary business. So I wanted to show you an example of one of these passive affiliate channels that he gives in the training. I love this channel. It's called Improvement Pill, and it's about personal development. So they have 1.8 million subscribers, and you can say to yourself, well, I could never do that. But think about this. Whoever owns this channel started from 0 subscribers at one point. And if you look at this as a long-term business, then you have to delay your gratification. You have to do the work, but eventually it can become passive for you. And it's something where you don't have to worry about recruiting people and talking to people. It'll just be, you create a video and it's up there making you money while you sleep. So if we take a look at this channel here, I like to look at the statistics. They get 80,000 subscribers a month. And if you look at their trending videos, that's how many views per hour. You can see like this one here is getting 2,100 views per hour. So this would be an example of a channel that he gives inside the training that you can model after. Again, you're not going to copy it, but you can see what's already working for somebody and you can model after their videos. So we can take a look here and see, let's see where they're linking to. Now you can do Amazon products. They're not going to pay you as much. Like this one, this channel is about personal development. And obviously they're making good money through Google AdSense because they got the ads playing at the beginning of their videos and also throughout the videos. That's how you can make more money. When your video is at least 10 minutes long, you can add more ads in the video, which is I do. And you can add them like a couple times in there and at the end, besides at the beginning. That's how you can make more money, even with a smaller channel like myself. But you can see here that they are linking to an Amazon book that is $17. So, Amazon only pays like 3 to 10%. So I would recommend, if you had a channel like this, that you would get some sort of affiliate product that pays you more than that. But this is, I think they're reviewing this book, so obviously they would have a link to the book itself. But you can see there's 198,000 views, so it's likely that quite a few of those people will purchase the book. So that's just an example of one of the passive affiliate channels within the training, but it will open your eyes to the possibilities of what you can do with YouTube. And again, you don't have to do these videos yourself. You can outsource it, but you do have to go through the training and figure out how to do it, but it's not difficult. And then again, you can also earn money through Google AdSense. That's the whole idea as well. And you can get one channel going really well. You can start another channel. It's endless. You can have a bunch of different channels, but I wouldn't recommend that you do a lot of channels at the beginning. You get one that's up and running and making you good money, and then do another channel. But this is just an example. When you have ads playing at the beginning of your video, this isn't a lot. This is my Google AdSense, but this is just since lifetime. I started my channel back in 2009, and I didn't do anything with it. Well, I did post things, but I didn't know what I was doing. And you can see back then you didn't have the qualifications that you do right now with YouTube, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That ended the end of, this is like February of last year. They had the new qualifications, so you can see I didn't make anything there until I got the qualifications there in the end of March of this year. But you can see I didn't know what I was doing back here. and it wasn't around a specific niche. I just did like random videos. So I think I made like $1.36 was my most. So now you can see after implementing this training, I've been able to earn anywhere from like average 20 to 25, and it just continues to go up. Last month I made $608 with Google AdSense. So that's with what I'm doing with the passive affiliate system, as well as some other training that I'm going to be implementing on my channel. That will only increase over the next year. I expect for that to go up significantly. So that's what I wanted to share with you today, because I think that this will help you. Definitely, if you want to earn passive income and make money on YouTube, I highly recommend this course. If you want to get started, you will click on the first link in the description below the video. You'll put in your name and your email, and that will take you to this webinar that'll tell you even more about it, get you more excited about, yes, you can do this, you can do this too. It's an hour-and-a-half webinar, but it's worth the time because it's really going to open your eyes to how you can do this part-time or full-time, eventually full-time. That's my goal with this, and really be able to make some good money with YouTube. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave in the comments below the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And again, if you want to get started, go ahead and click on the first link in the description below the video. And I look forward to seeing you in the Facebook group. That'll be the first thing that you do after you go through the intro here, is to introduce yourself in the Facebook group. There's all kinds of support in there. He reviews people's channels. And this is, I think, I forgot to mention that, but this is one of the most important things here, is that you have the support that you need moving forward so that you're not alone in this, because it absolutely does work. So after you get started, you're going to introduce yourself in the Facebook group. Make sure you tag me so that I can say, yay, you made it there, and I'm excited to have you in the group and help you with growing your YouTube channel. So with that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.